Don't you know I was born different? I wanted more. Watch me be relentless.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've been wanting to show this car to the world for a very, very long time. 5 years ago, almost to the day, I joined Aston Martin Lagonda, and one of the first decisions that I made was to approve the company's first ever SUV. Today really gives me a great pleasure that we're able to unveil here in Beijing and launch Aston Martin's latest model that will propel the brand to new heights worldwide. That model, of course, is indeed the DBX. It's the culmination of 5 years of hard work by everybody at Aston Martin. The DBX signals a new era in Aston Martin's pursuit to deliver exceptional performance, style, and usability in a segment previously unexplored by our brand. DBX is a car that will give many people their first experience of Aston Martin ownership, and as such, it needs to be true to the core values established by our sports cars, bringing both the versatility and the indulgence expected of a luxury SUV, but with sports car levels of dynamic performance. DBX sets a bold new standard in this sector. To have produced a truly beautiful, hand-built, technologically advanced car, having the soul of an Aston Martin sports car, is a proud moment for us. This is a landmark moment for this truly great British brand. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you DBX.
It's a true adventure.
Driving a DBX is about freedom.
It's incredibly confident, incredibly powerful, beautiful to drive.
Any Aston Martin has to have both an eye to the future and an eye to the past. When you see DBX, you can exactly see that lineage.
It is our largest grille for the front of the cars to define its character.
You look to the rear and you see the similarity to the Vantage, our racing car.
People are going to feel exhilarated when they're driving DBX. We're a 106-year-old company that's made sports cars all its life.
In this pursuit of beautiful, DBX doesn't use anybody else's architecture.
It's an adventurer for sure, but it's restless, capable of driving anywhere.
The goal of this car is to be the best handling SUV in the market.
Aston Martins are about authenticity.
It's like a Savile Row suit. It's been made to your specification.
Made with passion and love.
DBX is the most beautiful SUV that exists.
It has all the dynamic capabilities of a sports car. You'll feel like you're in Aston Martin.